Hello friends, welcome to PrepMate classes. Endangered species is one of the favorite topic of UPSC. In recent years, there has been many questions on this topic. In this lecture, we will discuss about the important endangered terrestrial species in India. International Union for Conservation of Nature is an NGO based in Switzerland which is engaged in conservation of both flora and fauna. It annually publishes the Red Book. Red Book consists of species of both plants and animals which are endangered. Some of the endangered terrestrial species in India are listed below. We will consider them one by one. Large rock rat or Alvira rat. It is a medium-sized rat and is nocturnal. It is found in Eastern Ghats in Tamil Nadu. Namdapha flying squirrel. It is found in Namdapha, a place in Arunachal Pradesh. It is known as flying squirrel because it jumps from high trees and glides through air like a kite. It is killed by native communities for food. Malabar civet. It is found in Malabar region of Kerala, Western Ghats. It is nocturnal in nature. Its habitat is both plains and hill slopes. Kashmir stag, Hangul. It is a subspecies of deer. It is the state animal of Jammu and Kashmir, and it is also found in Himachal Pradesh. Wild ass. It is found in Rann of Kutch, Gujarat. Its population has significantly reduced on account of spread of diseases among the species and habitat degradation due to excessive salt in soil. Golden langur. It is a former species of monkey. Its fur is golden in color and it is found in western Assam. Himalayan deer or white-bellied musk deer. It is found in Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Sikkim. It lacks horns on head called antlers. It possesses a pair of enlarged canines that grow continuously. Musk deer is called so because of the presence of the gland in the male musk deer. Musk is used for making medicines, perfumes, etc. Lion-tailed macaw. It looks like a monkey. It is found at places where both western and eastern Ghats meet in states of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Nilgiri tahar. It is the state animal of Tamil Nadu. It has two large horns on its head. Great Indian one-horned rhino. It is found in Assam in Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park and Pabitora Wildlife Sanctuary. It is killed because of Oriental belief that its horn consists of medicinal properties. Tibetan antelope Chiru. It is found in Tibet and Himalayan region. It is hunted for its wool, which is used to make shahtoos shawls, scarves, etc. Black buck. It is killed for its meat and hunting events. It exhibits sexual dimorphism, that is large differences between male and female of the species. Black buck in India is found in states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Odisha and West Bengal. Red panda. It is found at lesser altitude in the Himalayas in Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Sangai deer. It is the subspecies of brow-antlered deer found only in Manipur, India. It is also the state animal of Manipur. It lives in the Kebul Lamjau National Park about 45 km from Imphal, capital of Manipur. Kharai camel or swimming camels are found in Gujarat's Bhuj area. Gujarat is the only home to Kharai camel. Kharai camel can live in both coastal and dry ecosystems. It grazes on mangrove trees and is tolerant to high saline water. It can swim up to 3 kilometers into the sea in search of mangroves. The camel is distinct from other camels because of its rounded back, long and thin legs and small feet. Its population is less than 10,000. Its population is available in the wild habitat as well as in the domesticated habitat. Let us now see past year prelim questions asked on this topic. 2013 prelims. In which of the following states is the lion-tailed macaw found in its natural habitat? Lion-tailed macaw is found in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. Thus option A is the correct answer. 2016 prelims. What is unique about Kharai camel, a breed found in India? Only statements 1 and 2 are correct. Thus option A is the correct answer. For best learning, you can watch this video along with PrepMate's Engage UPSC series, which is available online as well as offline. Book features. Complete subject in a single book with practice and past year questions at the end of the chapters. Model answers for UPSC mains from authors. Using the application PrepMate and web portal prepmate.in, you can access comprehensive digital support in form of videos, mock prelims, answer writing practice and regular updates.